Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to do wireless power sharing in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. You can share your battery with another device and you can charge another device with your phone. Okay, what you got to do is go to settings of your phone first, then go to battery and go to here wireless power sharing and turn on this button wireless power sharing, and now put the center of your phone another phone back to back with another device. Okay, if you have trouble connecting or charging is slow, remove any cover from the other device. Okay, only compatible device will work. Okay, so here I am checking with nothing phone 1. This is nothing phone 1, and just I am putting like this. See here, charging is enabled. Yes, it's charging. It's charging here. Okay, yes. See here, charging wirelessly. Okay, so wireless charging is enabled. Charging from this device, charging from Samsung to nothing over back to back. Okay, uh, it will be limited when your battery reaches 30%. Okay, up to 30% only you can share. Okay, then after that below 30% you cannot share. Okay, that is above 30% you can share power. Okay, suppose if you turn off this option, now you cannot turn off this option when it is in progress. Okay, now I am removing wireless charging. Okay, removed. Now I turn off wireless power sharing. Now I can change battery limit. Okay, just I can change battery limit to desired percentage. I have set 70%. So now my battery is in 75%. So now I can charge. Okay, if it reaches 70%, it will be automatically stopped. Okay, see here, I am turning on. See here, yes, charging is enabled. Okay, so in this way you can easily do power sharing. Okay, according to your wish. Okay, only compatible device will work. Okay, this is compatible device, nothing phone 1, but all YouTubers said that it's waste phone, but it's a very worth phone, I think. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.